Welcome to Word Study, everybody. We are going to be talking about abbreviations today. So let's look at an example abbreviation here. I've got the word street, and then on the left side here I've got ST with a period. ST, we know stands for street. So when we see ST with a period after it, we know it stands for street. It is a shortening of the word street. Now, it took the first two letters from street and we say them the same way. So when we see ST, we know, oh, that means street. So we say it as we would the whole word street, even though it's shortened. Now, I've got an abbreviation here, AVE. AVE. Do you know what abbreviation AVE is for? That's right, it's for avenue. Avenue, another type of road. So this one, we took not the first two, but the first three letters of avenue and abbreviated it to be AVE, also said avenue with a period after it. Now looking at this one, BLVD. Do you know what this is an abbreviation for? It's actually an abbreviation for Boulevard. So this one, when we spell out the whole word, we didn't take from the beginning. We took a letter from each part of the word, one from the beginning, two from the middle, and one from the end to shorten it to Boulevard. So sometimes when we have abbreviations, the abbreviations or the letters come from the beginning of the word, maybe a letter at the beginning and at the end, or maybe a couple letters throughout the word to shorten it. But regardless, we still say the abbreviation as we would the whole word. So when we see the abbreviation BLVD, it's still pronounced Boulevard, just as the same way with avenue and street. We still say the abbreviation like we do the whole word. So here are some other abbreviations that you might see commonly. Drive is abbreviated to DR. Road is abbreviated to RD. Court be abbreviated to CT. And circle is one of those ones where we take the first three letters is CIR, so circle is abbreviated that way, and square is abbreviated SQ. So these are all types of different roads and things like that. A lot of these abbreviations are common when you're talking about roads and signs and directions and things like that. So we've got a couple of more. Highway, HWY, where we pull from throughout the word, those letters. Parkway, PKWY, Expressway, EXPY, and Junction, JCT. So all of these abbreviations, when we are looking at these words, highway, when we see the abbreviation, we still read it highway. We still read the abbreviation for parkway as parkway. So we still read the abbreviation as we would the whole word. They sound the same. We're just shortening them, taking out some letters. So we know that some words have shortened form that use some of the letters, and they're called abbreviations. And abbreviations are usually pronounced the same as the longer form of the word. And many abbreviations begin with an uppercase letter, and most are followed by a period, so that we know it's an abbreviation, with a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end to show us that we have shortened that word down, like we have in all these examples. So look for abbreviations in your life as you're in the car as your parents drive around, thinking, oh, if I see the abbreviation CIR, that road must be something circle. So CIR stands for circle. So you can look for abbreviations in your life and find them in the real world. So now that you guys know some common abbreviations, can you find some?